In the southwestern part of the Philippines in the province of Palawan exists there two amazing beaches you probably don't know or even heard of. These are the stunning beaches located in Balabac Island, Palawan. Balabac Island is a group of 31 islands and islets. Of all the fine white sand beaches you can find in Balabac, Onuk Island and Bugsuk Island are the best. Two unspoiled amazing beaches in Palawan. 1. Onuk Island. Onuk Island probably holds the most beautiful beach in Balabac. The jaw-dropping scenery of the beautiful crystal clear waters and the white sand beach will surely make you appreciate the beauty of nature. Going to the island with your boat, you can actually see the green sea turtles, giant clams, dolphins, and marine lives clear in the waters. Onuk Island is a privately owned island by the mayor of Balabac, but it is open to the public. They actually accommodate visitors to the place. Although prior arrangements to the local officials should be done if you want to stay on the island. 2. Bugsuk Island. Bugsuk Island boasts its long stretch white sand beach and a breathtaking view, especially when the tide is low. Pine trees and coconut trees make the beach more stunning and exciting to pitch a tent. Bugsuk Island is also a private island. Due to poor signal and no electricity, this is the perfect place to have some unforgettable moments with your families and friends. Did you find these beautiful beaches in Balabac Island amazing? Don't forget to share this on Facebook to let your families and friends know and plan your next trip here. Which of the two do you like to visit? Please comment down below. Thank you for watching. Hope you like the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and Facebook channel. Keep safe and have a good day.